Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you several ways how you can fix the Google Chrome browser lag issue and Google Chrome browser working slowly issue in 2025. So let us dive into this. So guys, let's assume you're working with Google Chrome and your browser is working pretty slowly or performing poorly recently. This is how you can approach this to fix this. So what you want to do first, guys, is check if the hardware or graphics acceleration is enabled for your Chrome web browser and disable it if necessary. To do that, click into these three dots here in the top right, navigate to settings, and inside your browser settings, navigate to system here to the left. And from here, guys, simply make sure that you disable this feature, use graphics acceleration when available. It may be necessary to relaunch Google Chrome to save these changes. So do that if that's necessary, guys. Also, in addition to that, you may head over to the Performance tab here to the left and do the following. Like, for example, enable the memory saving or saving feature here. This will allow Google Chrome, let me just toggle it on here to the right. This will allow Google Chrome to, for example, free up memory or RAM from inactive tabs. For example, if you're using Chrome frequently with a lot of tabs open at the same time, this will allow Google Chrome to free up memory from these inactive tabs and that way improve your browser's performance significantly. You may customize that setting here below by choosing either a moderate, a balanced, or a maximum memory saving. And last but not least, guys, what you want to do is also scroll down and enable the preload pages feature, because this will allow, for example, Google Chrome to preload these pages you're visiting and thus increase the speed of your browsing and searching, as you can see. So toggle it on here to the right. And in the final step, you may also disable any extensions you're using, and that might be slowing down your browser's performance or affecting it in a negative way. To do that, click into these three dots, hover your mouse over extensions, and click into manage extensions there. And last but not least, simply disable each extension you're not using. You may also remove them entirely by clicking into this button, and that should also contribute to a better browser performance and fix the aforementioned performance issue, guys. And that's how it works. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll catch you later.